Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up automatic recurring crypto purchases on Coinbase. This is a great method if you want to consistently invest in Bitcoin or any other coin without manually buying each time, also known as dollar cost averaging. Let's keep it short and simple. First, make sure the Coinbase app is installed on your phone. You'll recognize it by the blue and white icon. Once inside the app, make sure your bank account is already linked to your Coinbase account. Once that's done, tap on buy and sell, then choose buy. Now pick the crypto you want to purchase. We'll use Bitcoin as an example. Enter the amount you want to invest, let's say $20. Next, go to the upper right where it says one time order and tap it. This brings up a menu. Choose recurring buy. From here, select your preferred schedule. You can set it to daily, weekly, every 1st and 15th, or monthly. In this example, we'll go with weekly. You now see the amount and its equivalent in Bitcoin. For example, $20 may equal 0.00231 BTC. Click review order. You'll get a summary showing your $20 recurring weekly purchase. It also shows the price it's being bought at and confirms the crypto will be available to trade instantly. And that's it. Recurring purchases are now set up. And that's it. If this helped, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.